Hey everybody, John Hickey, super excited to introduce to you today the OptConnect Neo2. All of the OptConnect devices come in these nice little boxes, and when you open it up, there it is. Also in the box, you'll receive your power harness, the OptConnect Gemini antenna, and if you want to know why the Gemini is a game changer in connectivity, watch the video that we put together on the OptConnect Gemini, as well as 2 Ethernet ports 7 feet long for you to connect your kiosk and other peripherals. The OptConnect 2 is a game changer in connectivity. Not only does it have 1, but 2 cellular connections on board, activated, ready to go as soon as you get your modem. Verizon and AT&T, both active on this device. Failover from Verizon to AT&T in case a connection goes down. Same thing back from AT&T to Verizon. Connection goes down, it'll fail over to the other network, making connectivity a non-factor for your customers and your business. The OptConnect Neo2, as you'll see here, has 2 Ethernet ports so that you can connect your kiosk, as well as if you have a camera system or a digital sign, you can connect that as well. There's a LED power light here so that you can know that your device is up and running appropriately. And also on the front side, you've got a set of LEDs that will give you your signal strength so that you have, you know that when you plug this guy in, it's ready to rock and roll. The Neo2 is also twice as fast as its predecessor, the Neo, and it's in the same exact casing so that you can still get this Neo2 in tight fit places. It's meant to be unattended, so you can leave it be without any worry, all backed and supported by your OptConnect program, device, connectivity, support, the Summit app for you to track your devices, all included with your OptConnect program. If you have a location that you cannot get connected, my challenge is for you to try it with the Neo2. Let's get those tough to connect places connected. Neo2, Gemini antenna. Give us a call. We're Tech to Success. We are the #1 OptConnect reseller. For more information on the OptConnect Neo2, spec sheets, videos, you name it, go to tech2success.com/Neo2. Thanks everybody.